Okay, I'm going to do my best to explain how to transfer money into your BitForex account and then how to purchase OMI with that because it was very difficult for me. So I've been trying to document it for anyone else that struggles with this crypto thing. Um, so this is assuming you already have an account set up through BitForex. And the first thing you want to do is deposit. So we're assuming that you haven't deposited any funds, you don't have any Bitcoin or any kind of crypto in here. So what you need to do is deposit. And in order to deposit, generally you have to transfer some money out. So I transferred money out of my Coinbase wallet into BitForex, and you basically go to Coinbase, you do the transfer thing, you hit the little airplane symbol, and then what I would recommend is transferring a small amount to make sure it goes right, and then you could transfer larger sums later. There's a QR code you could scan. It didn't scan for me. My dog's got the zoomies, by the way. So you could either scan that or I just copied it. So you go ahead and you transfer the funds. It might take a few hours. I guess there's a few verifications that it goes through. After that happens, and you have your deposit, you go to your assets. So after you have money in your account that's deposited, it's going to show up in your wallet. I don't have it here because I already transferred it. So it should show up here. If you transferred Bitcoin, it should be here, Ethereum here. And from here, you basically want to transfer it to your spot account so that you could trade. So you just hit transfer, and the amount from your wallet to your spot account and the quantity, I transferred all of it, confirm. And then from there, you have your spot account, which I believe is the trading section. I don't know. And it would show up here as whatever Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever you transferred over. Now, you can't just convert. Right now, you just can't convert a Bitcoin directly into OMI or OMI or whatever it's called. You need to go through a couple additional hurdles. So what you basically need to do at this point in time is convert this to USDT, which I believe is like a coin aligned with the US dollar, because I know that's 150 bucks. And then you convert the USDT into OMI. So if we're already here and we're assuming that we have some stuff in Bitcoin, then we need to make these transfers. In order to do that, you go up here to spot, and you end up in this like stock trading dashboard. And it's pretty overwhelming. I don't know any of this stuff. I'm not a trader. But I do know through trial and error, I go to the USDT. You click on BTC. So now you're converting Bitcoin to the US dollar coin. And basically, you want to not buy your Bitcoin. You want to sell your Bitcoin, and you want to sell the quantity, whether it's a certain percentage or all of everything in your account. And then you would sell that, and it would convert it to the USDT. So you click however much you want to sell. 100. I just did 100% because I just only transferred like $1,000 worth of Bitcoin over, and I was going to convert 100% of it to the OMI coin. So that's what I did. I hit 100%, sell BTC. It converted it to the USDT, and then after that, now in the same section, you go to OMI or OMI or whatever the hell it's called, and you buy this with your USD. So what I did was I just purchased 100% of that with that. And what this is here is it shows the dollar amount. So one OMI right now is worth a penny 08. So a little bit more than a penny right now. And then, yeah, so one thing I do have is I have this set up. So if it drops below a penny, so it gets to 0.009, then I'm immediately going to purchase $149 US dollars worth of OMI, which will come out to about around 16,000 or so. I don't know if the price is going to drop there. I don't know. But if it does, I'll buy it. If not, I'll probably just change the number so that I could buy it at a higher point. But that's basically how you convert it to OMI. And then to confirm that it's good and it worked and everything is you go back here and you check your spot account. And your assets might be frozen. I think it's instantaneous through the spot. I don't know, but you would see it here. So after I converted my Bitcoin to OMI, it showed up here. So I've got 91,000, which was about $900 worth of US dollars at the time. And that's that. Good luck. I'm not an expert, so don't ask me any questions. Thank you.